Hello folks, JC De La Torre here, the face behind Fugazy Films. Now you've seen my face for radio and know why I rarely come on camera, but for this video I'm here to talk about Oii Oii, a new AI platform that specializes in anime. I am not affiliated with them, but they are offering me some credits to show you how it works and what you can do. So, let's dive in, shall we? Oii Oii is an AI agent platform that specializes in anime. It gives you a number of different ways to interact with the agent, including story video mode, anime music video, Manga-to-Video. You can create your own pro-original characters and even make IP creations, where you can design merch based off your original characters. If you stay with me through the end of this video, I will show you an in-depth look at both story video mode and Manga-to-Video. Now, if you followed me on my socials or visited my YouTube channel, you know I'm a storyteller. The first thing I will tell you is Oii Oii is designed for original IP. I tried working some of my fan film stuff through here, including Highlander fan film A Very Highlander Christmas, and it hit up against some copyright blocks. It's fine though, as I have plenty of ideas for original IP, and I've even used ChatGPT to give me a few more ideas because I want to do a challenge of posting an anime a day using Oii Oii for 30 straight days. Can I do it? I don't know. But let's find out how this thing works. Okay, so I use a service for my YouTube channel called vidIQ, and they have their own agent where it can take a look at my channel and my audience's likes, then give me suggestions. I prompted it with the following prompt. I am looking to increase our video frequency, but I want to begin to move away from the fan film niche and dive into the original IP anime niche. I would like you to provide me 30 ideas that I can turn into 2 to 3 minute anime videos that tell a story and would appeal to the audience who enjoys Indiana Jones, Star Wars, Star Trek, and Stargate. These should be completely original and take inspiration from the current most popular anime. Include a hook to begin the video in the summary. I would like this in a chart with the headings: name, summary, main characters, genre, why this works, projected length. From this, there was a story that looked very interesting to me, which was called The Script of Death. This is in the level up genre of anime. Think Solo Leveling, or That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime and Sword Art Online. Now, Oii Oii has the ability to do everything for you, but I write my own scripts. I don't let AI do it for me. One of the things that impressed me the most about Oii Oii is it was able to ingest my script and used it to generate its storyboard. More on that in a second. I should mention that Oii Oii does have a limitation of 5,000 words in your script, so no 3-hour opuses here. I also like to post a short summary in the prompt as well, so that my story definitely has clarity with the agent. Alright, let's launch this bad boy and see what happens. As you can see, we've engaged our first agent, the art director, and have our first decision point. You can create a short film, a music short film, or generate a quick video that's under 15 seconds. We want to create a short film. Art director begins to do its thing and we have another decision point. Is this animation less or more than a minute? What aspect ratio do you want? And what language do you want it in? Our choices for language are English, Chinese, and Japanese right now. Remember folks, this app is still growing and is in beta. I make my choices and confirm to continue. Art director asks for one more choice. What art style do I want? Oii Oii currently offers 147 different styles. Let me show you the list. Since this video is channeling a solo leveling vibe, let's go with K-drama aesthetic. Now that we've made our art choices, art director asks the scriptwriter agent to join the chat. Normally, if you hadn't provided a script, this is where Oii Oii would write the story for you. But I write my own stories, so I did provide a script. Okay, the script is done. It looks like this will be a long one. I highly advise you go through each shot and read what the AI agent is proposing to do. Before you go any further, Oii Oii gives you a full estimate of the amount of bentos or credits that this video is going to cost. Most 1 to 2 minute videos cost around 250 to 300 bentos. In this case, we have 58 shots, which will be nearly 9 minutes of video, so it's going to cost 1,497 bentos. Keep in mind this is an estimate. You will have to re-roll, which will cost you more bentos, so the final number for the project could be higher. Click Confirm and Continue to lock it in and move to the next step. Now the script writer agent invites the character designer agent to the party. Oii Oii has correctly identified my 3 main characters from my script: Orin, our skeleton protagonist, Caldris, the necromancer, and Sister Elira, an important side character. The character designer then creates anime designs based on our design choices and the description of the characters in the script. You can continue to modify your characters until you're satisfied, and once you are, go ahead and click Satisfied, Continue to Storyboard Video, and the agent will call in the Storyboard Artist agent. This is one of the more impressive agents in Oii Oii's workflow. Not only will it take the recommendations from the script, but it will utilize cinematic styles and guidelines, and for this instance, particularly for dark fantasy and adventure, becoming your director of photography and creating interesting, unique shots that make these videos stand out. Whether you're like me and have an understanding of the different shots that can make up a scene, or you're a complete novice, you can still make compelling anime using this tool. What used to take me hours to days to try and get Nano Banana to give me the different shots I wanted, or using some of Higgsfield's cinematic tools that were super expensive and you had to retry to get just what you wanted. Oii Oii's agent cuts that down to a fraction of the time, and you do still have creative control. If you don't like a shot or you want to change it up, you can edit the prompts. I'll try to show you that in a bit. It's going to take quite some time for Oii Oii to generate 58 shots, so I'll come back when it's done. For you, seconds will have passed, but for me, it will be a lot longer. I'll let you know how much longer when I return. And we are back! It took about 2 hours for Oii Oii to churn through all of these videos. That's not typical for this application. In fact, in most cases, you'll have all your videos in about 5 to 10 minutes. But I guess I am really taxing the system with this story. Keep in mind, folks, Oii Oii is still considered a beta. And as one of my favorite AI enthusiasts, Tim from Theoretically Media, says, today is the worst it will be, and it's only going to get better from here. And let me tell you, it's pretty darn good right now. So, at this point, you could literally click the generate button and it would generate the final video for you. But before you do that, I highly advise you go through each video it generated and look for those telltale AI anomalies we all know and despise. While Oii Oii really does a solid job of limiting these, they still come up from time to time. In addition, it's good to jump into the edit mode and see what Oii Oii edited out. There could be a gem or two in there worth keeping. Once you've gone through each video, you have your own decision point to make. If you're a control freak like me, you can go and download each and every video, choose your editor of choice, which in my case is Adobe Premiere, and complete your masterpiece your way. Or you can just click the Generate Final Video button and let Oii Oii do the heavy lifting of editing for you. Some things to keep in mind: Oii Oii uses a video generator, probably Sora too, but I don't know that for a fact, and it will generate audio and sound effects for you. While this is really convenient, it also leads to voice drift, where your characters may not keep the same voice. It's one of the reasons I choose to do the editing myself, because I can also take the videos and use a voice changer tool like the one in 11 Labs to standardize all the voices so they match. Okay, before we get out of here, I wanted to give you a look at the Manga-to-Anime tool in Oii Oii. Don't worry, I'm going to show you what we did with Script of the Dead in just a moment, but first, I've been eager to give this tool a try because I want to see if I can take one of my favorite manga and webtoons, Omniscient Reader's Viewpoint by Sing Song, and create a short intro anime. Will we get copyright blocked? Will it capture the manga perfectly? Let's find out. So this is the input file we're using. It's an image from the first page of the webtoon for Omniscient Reader's Viewpoint. As you can see, we're starting the story on a commuter train. Now, let's pick Manga-to-Video. We will drop our image in. I probably could give it some direction here in the prompt, but you know what? Let's get wild and let it ingest and see what happens. Once we get it uploaded, you'll see some familiar prompts we've already covered. I'm not going through them again. You already know how to do this part. So let's see what it came up with. It took about 5 minutes to generate these storyboards. I think it looks fairly impressive. The main character definitely does look like Dokja Kim, but I have to say, the agent seems to know the subject matter, but isn't necessarily following the image we provided. I think at some point it tries to generate Goblin, a creature character from the webtoon, but as a bat. Goblin wasn't provided an image, neither was the page when the train is attacked by creatures. Now, I didn't adjust any of the prompts, I could have, to match more closely to the image provided, but I wanted a raw test. As this is still beta, I think there's still some room for improvement here. I think the final output was more of a video inspired by Omniscient Reader's Viewpoint than OVR itself. But if you really think about it, is Hollywood any different? They take their own liberties and don't always follow the source material, and since Oii Oii is a video entertainment tool, who knows? Maybe it's doing what it's supposed to do. Before we head out, I did want to cover some of the editing options. So Oii Oii does boast a pretty decent in-app editing tool that allows you to do a regeneration at 10 and 15 seconds, allows you to use some trimming tools, you can edit the prompt that the agent generated, and also make dialogue changes as well. I use these quite often to help get the shot as polished and to what I want as I can before I export the video into Premiere Pro. Okay, that about does it. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Oii Oii. My thoughts are, this app is really great for generating some quick anime original IP stories. I think it already is very useful and not one of these crappy slot machines we see on other platforms. I'm thoroughly impressed with its cinematography knowledge and ability to truly be a storytelling engine. Let's check out the results of what we've made in this video. Now, I'm not pulling the full videos in here because we'll be here another 10 minutes and I need to wrap this puppy up. But if you're interested in seeing the full videos, please subscribe to wherever you're watching this video. My Anime a Day challenge will start on February 1st with Script of the Dead, and each day for the next 30 days, we'll have a new video I built using Oii Oii. I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Until next time, Allons-y.
My faithful.
Okay. Either I died, or I'm very, very fired.
Another hero party comes to defile my halls. You will answer with steel and hatred.
This is a joke. I'm in a game. I died and respawned as a trash mob.
By the script of the dead, I bind you. Fight, kill, rise again. Rats.
After 10 years, the story is over. And I was the only reader to read all 3,149 episodes.